Hey Apple fans! Apple's reportedly building a ChatGPT-style AI search tool to rival Siri after major delays. Is this their big AI comeback? Welcome to GadInsider, your hub for the hottest tech news. Let's dive into this juicy Apple AI scoop. Bloomberg just dropped a bombshell. Apple's new internal team, Answers, Knowledge, and Information, is crafting a ChatGPT-like AI search tool. With Siri's revamp delayed over a year, is Apple finally stepping up its AI game? Want the details? Keep watching. Led by former Siri exec Robbie Walker, the AKI team is exploring smarter AI search options, from enhancing Siri's responses to creating a standalone experience inspired by Perplexity, an AI search company Apple once eyed for partnership. This move comes after Apple Intelligence's lukewarm debut with features like Genmoji and notification summaries. Apple's next-gen Siri, meant to be the star of Apple Intelligence, got pushed back, with Walker calling the delays ugly and embarrassing internally. The AKI team's now tasked with building a cutting-edge AI search tool to make finding info on iPhones, iPads, and Macs faster and more intuitive, potentially outshining current Siri capabilities. This AI search tool, still in early development, could redefine how we interact with Apple devices, blending seamless search with AI smarts. With competitors like ChatGPT and Perplexity setting the pace, Apple's under pressure to deliver. Could this be the game changer to catch up in the AI race? Apple's AI search tool is still in the works, with no release date yet, but it's a sign they're serious about AI. Keep an eye out for more leaks. What's your dream Apple AI feature? Drop it below. That's the scoop on Apple's ChatGPT-style AI search tool. Are you hyped for a smarter Siri or curious about this new AI direction? Drop your thoughts in the comments. We read every single one. If you love this news, smash that like button, subscribe to GadInsider, and hit the bell icon for more tech updates.